Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalirao and I welcome you to my channel that is Learn English with Bhalirao Sir. Friends, in today's video we shall discuss about some of the activities or we can say questions and answers of the topic Excuses a Skit. But before watching this video, as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's begin the activities of the lesson Excuses a Skit. First of all, we shall see warming up activities. Form groups and chat about the following. Number 1. Do you come to school on time every day? तुम्ही दर दिवशी शाळेत वेळेवर येता का? Answer. Yes, I come to school on time every day. Rarely I come late. Next question. What do you feel when you are late? तुम्ही जेव्हा उशीर होतो तुम्हाला तेव्हा तुम्हाला काय वाटते? Answer. When sometime I come late, I feel very sorry and guilty. Next question. What action is taken in school on late comers? अर्थात उशिरा येणाऱ्यावर कोणती कारवाई होती शाळेमध्ये? Answer. Our teacher makes the latecomers stand out of the class or in the corner of the class. Regular latecomers are sent back home. Next question. Do you give excuses for your late coming? Are they true or false? अर्थात तुमच्या उशिरा येण्याबद्दल तुम्ही काही सबबी देता का? त्या खऱ्या असतात की खोट्या? Answer. I don't give false excuses for coming late to school. Next question. Why is punctuality so important in life? अर्थात आयुष्यामध्ये पंक्च्युअलिटी वक्तशीरपणा का महत्त्वाचा असतो? Answer. If we are not punctual, we might miss some opportunities in life. Our work also delays and that affects our success in life. Let's see margin questions. Number 1. In what sense was Ritesh early? अर्थात रितेश कोणत्या अर्थाने लवकर आला होता? Answer. As a matter of fact, Ritesh was very late. The first period of the class was about to end and the second period was to start soon. So, the teacher rightly said that Ritesh was too early for the second period. Next question. What was the first reason why Ritesh was delayed? अर्थात रितेशला उशीर झाल्याचे पहिले कारण कोणते होते? Answer. On the way to school, Ritesh heard a scream from the main road. He went there to find if someone needed help. He saw a person lying near the pavement who was groaning with pain. As he reached the man, another man came running out of the shop there. He had packet in his hand. He was a thief. The man lying near the pavement got up and he also started running with the thief. Ritesh ran after them, but they just vanished around the corner. This was the first reason, according to Ritesh, why he was delayed to school. Next question. What made Ritesh go back to the shop? अर्थात रितेश परत शॉप किंवा दुकानाकडे परत का गेला? Answer. Ritesh went back to the shop to get back his bag. Next question. When did the dog finally leave the school bag? अर्थात तो डॉग स्कूल बॅगवरून शेवटी केव्हा निघून गेला? Answer. The dog finally left the school bag when Ritesh offered him biscuits. Next question. How did Ritesh describe the same dog the second time? अर्थात रितेशने दुसऱ्या वेळी त्याच कुत्र्याचे कशा प्रकारे वर्णन केले? Answer: The dog, which Ritesh described as a huge dog before, is described the second time as a small puppy. Ritesh said that it was a puppy but was big in size. Next question. Why did Ritesh refuse to take part in the story writing competition? Can you believe his last excuse for refusing take part? अर्थात रितेशने स्टोरी टेलिंग कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये भाग घेण्याचे का नाकारले असावे असे तुम्हाला वाटते? आणि या स्टोरी टेलिंग कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये भाग न घेण्याच्या रितेशच्या शेवटच्या सबबीवर तुम्ही विश्वास ठेवू शकता का? Answer: I think if he had agreed to take part in story writing competition, he was afraid that his teacher and his classmates would know that the excuses he had made were the stories he had made up. He wanted to hide the falsehood of his excuses. And next thing is that no, I absolutely don't believe in Ritesh's last excuse for refusing take part in the story writing competition, because he really seems to be good in making up stories. Each of his excuses show his skill in making up instant stories. So his last excuse that he is not good at making up stories and his statement that he wouldn't know what to write cannot be believed. Let's see activities related to the English workshop. Number 1. Complete the following by inserting the correct words from the skit. Number 1. The heavy load would not dash dash. Answer: the heavy load would not move. Number 2. The police arrived to dash dash the crime. Answer: the police arrived to deal with the crime. Next sentence. My friend dash dash me to eat chocolates in the classroom. Answer: my friend offered me to eat chocolates in the classroom. Next sentence. I was dash dash to find my lost notebooks. Answer: I was in mad rush to find my lost notebooks. Next sentence. The injured child kept dash dash with pain. Answer: the injured child kept groaning with pain. Next sentence. He stole the cash and dash dash in the dark night. Answer: he stole the cash and vanished in the dark night. Next activity. Rearrange the order of the following events as per the narrator. अर्थात नॅरेटरने किंवा निवेदिकाच्या सांगण्यानुसार पुढील घटनांचा पुनर्मांडणी करा. योग्य क्रमाने ते लिहा. The events are given here. Number 1. The dog began to follow Ritesh to school. Number 2. The groaning man joined the thief and ran away. 3. Hugh's dog was sitting on Ritesh's school bag. 4. Ritesh heard a scream from the main road. 5. A thief came running out of a shop. 6. A man groaning with a pain was lying near the pavement. 7. The dog refused to move. And last one, the dog itself found its owner. And the answer, that is number 1 incident happened, that is Ritesh heard a scream from the main road. Number 2, a man groaning with pain was lying near the pavement. 3. A thief came running out of a shop. 4. The groaning man joined the thief and ran away. 5. A huge dog was sitting on Ritesh's school bag. 6. The dog refused to move. 7. The dog began to follow Ritesh to school. And 8. 1. The dog itself found its owner. Next activity, discuss and write the answers in your own words. Number 1, were the excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival true? Give reasons for your response. अर्थात रितेशने उशिरा येण्याबद्दलच्या ज्या सबबी सांगितल्या त्या खऱ्या होत्या का? तुमच्या उत्तराचे समर्थन करा. Answer, the excuses given by Ritesh for his late arrival to school were not true. Following incidents tell us that the excuses were not true. Number 1, the man lying and groaning with pain on the pavement started running with the thief. Number 2, his description of the dog given into two places is different. 3, he had not entered the shop before but said that he had left his bag in the shop. And number 4, the story of the dog and its owner does not sound convincing. Next question, did the teacher believe Ritesh's stories? How do you know that? अर्थात रितेशच्या गोष्टींवर शिक्षिकेचा विश्वास बसला का? तुम्हाला ते कसे समजते? Answer, no. The teacher did not believe Ritesh's story. Every time after his false excuse, she remarks something mockingly and ironically to suggest Ritesh that his excuses were false and he had made up the stories. Next question, why did the teacher suggest that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest? अर्थात रितेशने स्टोरी रायटिंग कॉन्टेस्टमध्ये कॉम्पिटिशनमध्ये भाग घ्यावा असे शिक्षिकेने का सुचवले? Answer, the teacher suggested that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest because she wanted to bring to his notice that whatever excuses he had made were false and she knew it. So, teasingly, she suggested him to enter the story writing contest. Next question, what according to you is the best way to correct children who are regularly late to school? अर्थात जे विद्यार्थी शाळेत नेहमी उशिरा येतात त्यांना सुधारण्याचा तुमच्या मते सर्वात चांगला मार्ग किंवा उपाय कोणता आहे? Answer, first and the most important way to correct the latecomers is to make them aware about the importance of time in our life. Teacher should call their parents and ask the reasons of his or her late coming and ask them to take care of their late coming. Teacher can convince such students how they lose their studies by coming late. Next activity which are related to the grammar. Report the following in indirect speech. म्हणजे खालील वाक्य तुम्हाला indirect स्पीचमध्ये चेंज करून लिहायचे आहे. Number 1, Ritesh said, may I come in, madam? Answer, Ritesh requested the teacher if he could come in. Next sentence, Mrs. Sen said, Ritesh, you are too early for the second period. Answer, Mrs. Sen told Ritesh that he was too early for the second period. Next sentence, Ritesh said, I had left my bag at the shop. Answer, Ritesh said that he had left his bag at the shop. Next sentence, Ritesh said, I am sorry, ma'am. Answer, Ritesh told the teacher that he was very sorry. Next sentence, Mrs. Sen said, there is a story writing competition. Answer, Mrs. Sen said that there was a story writing competition. Let's see next activity which is related to the writing skill, that is notice writing. Imagine there is story writing competition in your school. Frame a notice about the same to be put up on the notice board. Cover the following points. अर्थात तुमच्या शाळेत स्टोरी रायटिंग स्पर्धा आहे अशी कल्पना करा. त्याबद्दलची एक सूचना तयार करा व तुमच्या शाळेच्या सूचना फलकावर लावा. पुढील पॉईंट्सचा तुम्ही यामध्ये समावेश करू शकता. अँड पॉईंट्स आर 1. नेम ऑफ द कॉम्पिटिशन. नेक्स्ट, ॲट व्हॉट लेवल्स. नेक्स्ट, डेट, टाईम अँड व्हेन्यू. नेक्स्ट, ड्युरेशन फिक्स्ड फॉर रायटिंग द स्टोरी. नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, points to be considered while judging winners. Next point, prizes. And last point, contact person for participants' entries. Answer. Title is given, Story Writing Competition. Our school has organized a story writing competition for school children. The competition is for the groups of standard 1, 3rd to 5th and 2, standard 9th and 10th. You may write any story of your choice, but it must be of your own. Any already published story will not be entertained. The competition will be held in our school assembly hall on Tuesday, the 14th of August 2018. Duration of the story writing will be 1 hour. There is no limit of words. Writing papers will be provided by school. The last date of receiving entries is 18th of August. 3 prizes will be considered for each group of students. External judges will judge the writing stories. Points while judging stories will be quality of language, style, story writing skill, imagination, novelty or newness of the story. Contact Srimati Golambe Madam for giving your entries. Entry forms are available in the school office. Hurry up, participate enthusiastically. Secretary, School Cultural Committee. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.